Ooh. Wait, guys, I'm having a Miss Universe moment here. I'm having my Steve Harvey moment, you guys. And if you know what happened to Miss Universe 2015, this is what's happening tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be re-announcing our top 5 finalists for Mutya San Ibabao 2025.
We apologize, ladies. But again, with this, we really understand all the hard work, all the effort that our ladies have put in this pageant. And we understand that they may feel really nervous right now.
Yes.
And we apologize for making you feel like that, ladies.
Northern Samar, it is with deep regret, and of course we are asking for understanding. We would humbly like to apologize for this confusion, but we are going to re-announce the results of Mutya San Ibabao 2025. Here on the stage, we practice integrity and honesty, and we'd like to uphold whatever is the result that was decided by the judges.
So once again, to the ladies, to all of our supporters, sorry for the heart attack that we have given you.